Welcome to this meditation, a journey into the violet flame, a sacred frequency of transmutation and renewal. If you enjoy our sessions, please subscribe. Your support allows us to keep sharing free meditations with everyone. Please do not listen while driving or operating machinery. Let's go. The violet flame is a gentle energy, purifying light, a symbol that transmutes heavy energies into pure harmony. Now, imagine roots of light extending from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the earth, anchoring you. Feel yourself held, supported. Imagine above you a soft radiant violet light begins to form. It welcomes you with warmth, enveloping you in infinite softness and deep relaxation. It offers you a soothing relief, harmonizing every aspect of your being. Feel this flame of light radiating throughout your entire being. It moves through your mind, dissolving old thoughts. Clearing away mental fog, opening the channel for truth and expression. Making space for love and renewal. Feel this violet energy traveling down through your core. Every cell, every energy center realigning, restoring, regenerating. Now, stay with the soft violet flame. Feel it gently dissolving all that is old. All that is dense. All that is no longer aligned with your highest vibration. Your energy field is renewing itself. Breathe. Receive. And repeat after me. I welcome renewal in every cell of my being. I allow balance to flow through me effortlessly. Every breath regenerates and restores me. Slowly feel your body. Feel the support beneath you. Feel the air around you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel this new, refined vibration into your being. begin to gently move your fingers, your toes. Feel the bodily sensations. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you. freewillexperience.com